station KJY86 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can automatically